I have a Westinghouse Fan Forced oven model 662 and I need to change the oven light globe. How does the cover come off?
Hi there, and welcome to the site. Thank you for your inquiry. I will be assisting you with your question today. E.g., PDR633 If not, is the glass round or square please? Thank you. AUSSIE Repair Tech. 41206.41022357764.
The full model number is XXXXX longer readable. The glass cover is round and has 4 raised edges toward the rear. Definitely round.
Hi Russell, with the round glass covers, you will need to grip the glass cover firmly and twist it in an anti-clockwise motion until it twists, and then when you get it to the right spot, it will pull away from the oven wall. Being an oven globe cover, you will find it is probably very hard to get started turning. Use a tea towel and grip it with a firm grasp using your hand. Apply inward pressure and turn anti-clockwise. If you cannot get it to move, use multi-grips and a tea towel and carefully try it this way. I have done this many times before, and it will work as a last resort. Just don't squeeze too hard with the multi-grips if you need to resort to that method, okay? If you have any further questions, even after rating, just ask. I'm happy to answer them. Thank you.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.